This conference will now be recorded.
Right. All of you hear me, guys?
Good morning, sir.
Morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, yes. Very good morning, all of you.
Good morning,
Right,
Good.
sir.
guys. So in the previous session, we're discussing about ELIF, right? ELIF statement. ELIF statement. Okay. So this is what we have seen in the previous exam, previous day, right? By using ELIF, how to write multiple conditions, we have seen in the last class. Okay. Right, guys. Now. So see, these are conditions we keep on use in all future topics. In all advanced topics, guys, these all you keep on see these if statements, for loops, while loops. These all discussed a number of times. Okay. Right. Now let us see, guys, how to use a nested if statement. Nested if next statement. We'll see how to use a nested if, right? So guys, we have seen already if statement, and we have seen if else statement, if else statement we have seen. Okay. Elif over and next if, right? Next if. Fine, guys. So observe here, nested if means, see, first of all, let us syntax of nested if. Syntax of nested if we'll see here. Right. Let's observe here, first of all, we check the condition, right? All of observe here, first we check the condition, okay? Check the one condition first of all. Initially, we check the condition, okay? The condition is true. If condition is true, observe all of you here. If condition is true, okay, then again inside we can go with one more condition. We can go with one more condition, guys. Now, when if condition is true, we go with one more condition. We go with one more condition, right? Suppose condition is false. Condition is false. Then, guys, condition is false. Then you can take else. Sorry, you can take else or again condition taken here. Means actually here, guys. So what's the meaning here? Check the one condition. If condition is true, then take one more inside. Take one more condition inside. One more inside. That is also true. Take one more inside. That is also true. Take one more inside, like this, guys. So if the first condition is true, if the first condition is true, then we take inside the first condition, take the second condition. Second also true, we take inside the third condition. Third also true, we take one more fourth one. One more internal like this. One by one, internal all. All clear, right? So if condition one is true, then inside take one more condition inside. If condition two is true, right? If condition two is true, then we take one more inside. Okay. Suppose if condition three are true, then we take one more inside. One more inside. Like this, guys, we can take a number of if statements. A number of if statements, guys, here. A number of if statements. Okay, right. That is a simple example, guys. Here, this is a simple example. See here. Suppose, guys, I wanted an example, a small example about online interview, for example, right? Online applying for interview. Online applying for interview. Online applying for interview. Online apply, right? Observe a simple example. Let's see here. Online apply. Okay, online apply. Suppose for something like this. A simple example here. Okay, right. So observe guys here. So they're giving some conditions while applying the for interview. They give some conditions they kept like. So first of all, guys, they want the people who has qualification, Suppose BTech. Just imagine, guys. Just imagine BTech or MTech or MCA. For example, they want to they want the people. Please mute the mic, please. Ram, right. So the qualification condition is that they want the people who has done BTech and MCA. Just I'm one example. You don't apply your career on that one. You don't think that your degree is not there. Not like that. A simple example, guys. Okay, right. And so they want in these three qualifications, right? They want to pass out years. They want to pass out years, which is they want here. Suppose 2018. 2019 or 2020 they want 2020 they want. Okay, so 2018 2019 2020 they want, right? That's all guys here. So qualification years, then later percentage wise, suppose the percentage, right? If you give the percentage, if you give the less percentage, the display you are not valid for interview. If you the percentage less than or equal to less than 35, if you give there 30%, right? Then they display you are not eligible. You are not eligible. Something you are eligible when if you give less than 35, right? Suppose if you give percentage, right? Percentage more than or equal 35, right? And right and less than 50, for example, right? Less than 50 means they want to inform that come to interview after 1 week. Suppose come to interview next year, for example. Means generally in interviews they give priority, right? So in percentage they give the priority generally, right? Next one, guys, suppose percentage above or equal to 50, right? You're giving 50 and percentage suppose less than suppose 60, less than 60 are giving in this range. Then they want to say that come to interview next week or next month, next month, like this. Or same percentage greater than or equal to 60 and less than giving 75, right? 75. Then display at 75. Then say that come to interview, right? Suppose next week. Okay, next week, like this. Or apply next week. Apply next week, like this here. I'm saying come to. You can say apply next month, apply next year, like this. Okay, next one, percentage. If you give more than or equal to 75, more than or equal to 75, right? And percentage less than or equal to 100, right? Then come to interview, right? Interview today. That's all. You can say as a come here, you can say apply, for example, apply like this. You can say here if you want to, right? Apply. Right, guys. Okay. So first of all, the condition must be satisfied. The possibility if the same qualification, then check the next condition this year. If it is also satisfied, then check the percentage. Check the percentage, guys, here. All right. So I'm going to check the which one qualification. If it is true, then only check the year. If it is true, then only check the which one this percentages. Okay. Now, how I read the program is observe, guys, here. First of all, I check it now. If qualification W equal to, right, W equal to either BTech, for example, right, BTech, okay, or suppose MTech, 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 right, MTech, or which one now? For example, guys, just I'm going to example. For example, let I write the program. Which one? Maybe MCA, right, MCA, right, MCA. If it is true, then if it is true, then what I want now, check the if it is true, I write one part here. I write one program. Else means what do I write now? Else means what do I write now? So guys, I'm taking the pass. Why pass temporarily dummy? Okay, first of all, always want to see if condition is false, then write the else block first of all. Write the else block. Again, come back to the if and implement the if here. So temporarily we take the pass. We take the pass to create some dummy block. Take the pass to create a dummy block temporarily. Later we can modify it. Okay, that's the purpose here. So the else means what to display now. I display that I display here print off, right? Print off. Sorry, right? Sorry. It's only for right? Only for then specify the name. Suppose BTech, MTech, right? MTech or MC, like this case, right? Now for this if I wrote the else. If it is false means then for that one I wrote the which one I wrote the else block here. Now come to the if now. If it is true, again check the one more condition. If right year, something guys observe here. If right year right year W equal to suppose 2018 2019 right 2020 suppose 2020 then whatever there here, if it's false no problem, I do some logic. If it's false means what is the meaning here? The year not between these, right? So this condition is false means the given year not 18, not 19, not 20. It may be below 18, above 21. All of it. See, else means that year must be below 18 or above 20. Not this, right? So guys, here what do? I take one elif observe, one elif, right? Elif observe guys here. Elif year less than 2018, right? Observe now 2018. Then what do I display here? I display that print, right? Suppose you are not sure, right? You are not, right? Not fresher. That's all. Now, so what is covered here now? So these three is covered here, and below these three means not fresher. Now take the else now. We take the else. Else means remaining, right? Remaining maybe 21, 22, 23, 24 all. So if I give you 23 as display that first of all you complete the degree. I give the year 2022, 2024. I display you have to finish degree. That finish the BTech like this. Okay, right guys, observe now. So I take the else now. I take the else. Then what display here? Print. You need to complete, right? You need to complete. Right? Complete your graduation. Suppose something like that, intermediate graduation. Okay, so guys, I hope all of clear about this year, right? See, if this year means okay, I read some logic now, right? I read like some logic, I read like some logic now. If this year means I read some logic here, okay, don't worry. Now, false means what's the meaning here? So this is not means maybe less than 2018 or above 2020, right? I'm checking here above less than 28. I'm taking this part now. If I give this part means 17, 16, 15, 14, and so on below, I display you are not fresher. Now else means now what is left here? Remaining means this years, right? 21, 22. The display you need to complete our graduation. Okay, enough now. Enough guys here. Now coming to the here pass is there, right? Temporary block pass is there. Coming to the pass. So here it is giving 18 or 19 or 20. Then what do we do here? Then what do we do? Now check the percentage. So guys, now if you use the percentage between so 0 means greater than or equal to 0, right? And okay, and less than 35. So what's the meaning here? What's the meaning that one? You are not eligible, right? He is passed but not eligible. Okay, so at last I take the else. At last I take the else. Else means what's the meaning here? See, yes, percentage. So starting from 0, ending with 100. Okay, 0 to 100 is there. So take the else. If I take the else, means which percentage? Maybe below 0 or above 100, right? Below 0 or above 100. Else means now if we take the else means which one? Except this range, out of this range, maybe below 0 or above 100. Because this range is covered, right? This range covered as part of the elif is all covered. Now final else means out of this range, like minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, or 120, 130, like that. They want display invalid percentage, right? I take here percentage. Okay, percentage where greater less than is equal to 0. So less than 0, right under, right under, and right under. Here I don't read the condition actually. We don't read the condition, but I'm showing here under greater than 100. In that case, what I want to display? I want to display invalid percentage. Invalid percentage, guys. Now, okay, right. Now all of observe here. So one if is there. In that if one more if is there, right? Two ifs are there. There now I'm taking now one more if. If right. Now here I take the percentage, right? If percentage greater than or equal to 0 and percentage less than 35, then display or print here. What do I display here? Print off, right? Print off. I display same matter, guys. Now same matter display like this, same one by one. Now next one again. I take some matter here. Okay, I take some matter here. Next one. Now again elif, right? What second condition? Same now. Elif percentage greater than or equal to 35, right? And percentage, right? Less than, right? How much? 50, right? Again, guys, same. Then now we'll take here again like this, guys. Now we'll take all one by one here. We take all elif to check all the percentages. Okay. So guys, here if you observe here, see first of all, if the condition is true, then execute the block. That block again, what is there again? Again in this block, what is in the block? In this block again, if is there, if is there, if is there. See, if it is true, again execute the another block again. Execute the end block like this here. Again, what is there here? Again, if is there. That's why if the condition is true, execute one more condition. Suppose If condition is false, see in this case, guys, in case of outer if, in the outer if the condition is false, then else is taken, right? Else is taken. If condition false, else is taken, right? If condition is false, else is taken here. If condition is true, then start the block, right? This is the block actually, right? This is the block. Okay, start the block when the condition is true. Okay, right. Now in this one, again check the condition, right? Check the condition. Again, condition is there. If it is true, then again another block is there. In that block, again what is taken here? One more condition taken. If it's false also, again one more condition taken. One more condition taken, guys, here. All of it means see if is true or false. If it is true also, taking the one more condition. If it's false also, taking the another condition. Taking the another condition, guys, here. All of it. So if it is true also, we're taking the one more condition. False also, taking the one more condition. But in the previous case of elif, if it is true, execute the block. If it's false, check the one on condition. In case of one elif, right? Elif condition is true. Condition is true, right? Then what we do? Condition is true means execute the block. Condition is false means again check the condition. Here also maybe true, maybe false. If it's true, again execute the block. If it's false, again check the condition. Check the condition where the previous case. Again, if it is true, then again what we do? Execute the block. If it's false, again check the one more condition. Check the one more condition like this. If all are false, it's also true or false. If it's true, I can check the condition. If it's false, then finally I take the else block. I take the else block, guys. Okay. So what is happening here? If condition is false only, check the next condition. If condition is false only, check the next condition. Check the next condition here. That's what happened where in elif, right? Elif. Condition is true. What is happening now? Block executing, right? Block executing here. In the block also, if we take one more condition, that's called this one nested if only, right? The true block also, if you take one more condition, that's called one nested if. Same example to take there. Same elif only, right? But in case of true part also, if you take one more condition, in case of false part, condition check fine. In case of true part also, I check the one more condition means if in the another if in the another if. That's what I'm taking here, right? Here is the if in the qualification if. Here percentage if in the here if. So if in the another if. If in the another if. Okay. Right, guys, now the same example, guys, I'll write now. The same example we'll write. Okay, fine. I have an ideally. Right. Let's observe here. What's the point now? Simply online apply, right? Apply for interview. Okay, right. So first of all, we take the data from user. Input, right? Enter your qualification, right? Enter your qualification. So qualification is string, right? You give a string, so no conversion required. That to take into a variable, suppose a q qualification variable. Okay. Next one, qualification over. Next, take the pass out here input, right? And then enter your passed out. Suppose guys here passed out here. Okay, passed out here. So it's good number, right? Number means we check the conversion eval. Then to variable, suppose a year variable, right? Year variable. Fine. Now take the percentage also. Again, input, right? Input. Then enter your percentage, right? Enter percentage. Okay. I take the eval here. Then we take simply per percentage. Okay. That's all. Above this all, take the name also here. Input, right? Input, enter your name. Name is conversion not required string, right? That's all. It is for user giving the values. Okay. Fine, guys. Now, right. So, guys, observe here. First of all, what do I do? If right, if qualification and w equal to right, suppose btech or qualification w equal to I'll take suppose mtech, right, or qualification, right? Qualification w equal to, for example, we'll take mca. Okay. If the condition is true, then I had to go later. All of observe why I'm taking the pause. So first of all, talk about the else block. Talk about the else block. Else. Okay, right. So guys, here else means what's meaning here? This qualification not matching with the BTech or MTech or MC, not matching with qualifications. That's why I display here. I want to display print, right? Print. Observe guys here. Observe now. Your qualification, right? I want to display also what he is giving. This your qualification is a placeholder. Then here dot format of which one? Dot format of we take the which one qualification, right? Qualification. The qualification is suppose MBA like this. Okay. Next printer. Yes, MBA. Next what on display here? Again printer. I take care of print off, right? Print off. I want to display. Sorry, right? Sorry, it's not for you. Something is not. It's not for that. Sorry, it's not for you. He's giving the MBA, for example, or MC. He's giving the MBA, right? For example, then displays the qualifications MBA. Right? Qualification MBA. Sorry, it's not for you. Sorry, it's not for you. That's all. What is over, guys? Here, qualification over, qualification over. Right? Now, if it is true, then I read the again one block. Now, what do I do again? Check the one more condition. If year w equal to 2019 or year w equal to 2020, right? We take here w equal to 2018, right? 2018, right? Guys, observe now. Year equal to either 18 or 19 or 20. In these years, he's giving these years is giving either 18, 19, 20, right? Then I do something now. I read some coding here. Else, see guys now. So if the condition is conditions 2 means that year maybe 18, maybe 19, or maybe 20. So if you take the else means before 18 and about, right, about 20. That's meaning of else, means remaining. Okay, but whatever now here before 18 means I want one more condition. What's condition? Before 18 means I want display you are not fresher. Above 20 I want display uh, you have to finish the graduation like this. Okay, that's why I take one more leaf here. A leaf, here, here less than 2018. Here less than 2018 means is given 2011, 2012 like this. Then now I want display print. I print. Okay, your passed out here is take the place folder. Then dot, right, dot format of what I take here. I take the year. The passed is 2017, right? 27. Next one, I display here you, or else it's only for freshers. It's only for freshers. Okay, right. Now we take the else here. Take the else. Else means now cheers above 20, right? Above 2020. Then I'll take here. Observe guys now. You have given, or you have entered, right? You have entered so and so year, right? So and so year. Then all of the here take the you have entered so and so year, comma, right? Comma. Uh, you need to, right? You need to complete your graduation, right? Some graduation here. Okay. So there placeholder is there. Whether I take here, I take now format of which one format of we take the year. That's all guys now. Format of year. It's over now. What is over now? What is over here? About year over, right? Now here pass is the right. Now in place of pass, I read now. I read the logic, right? So all of I told you here why pass is used. See, temporarily to take a block, pass is used. See, last 5 minutes I'm working with these 2 points only. That's temporarily I used a pass. That's all. Now remove this one. Implement the code. So here if it's true means I check the now percentage. It's giving 18, 19, 20, right? Now check the percentage now. Check the percentage. Okay, right. Now guys observe here. If percentage, right, greater than or equal to 0, under, right, percentage less than 30 percentage, 35, then what I want to display here? I want to display here, sorry, right? Sorry, you are not eligible. You are not eligible because you can take here because your percentage so and so, right? If you want, you can take here because your percentage, because you entered or you given or you got, right, something you got how much percentage you got some number percentage, that's all. Okay, then for this place folder I send the value now. Again format of we take here percentage, we take here, right? So this place sorry, you are not eligible because you got how much, something maybe 20, 30 like this. Okay, over. Now we take a leaf, right? A leaf percentage. Check it now. Percentage now above or equal to 35, and percentage rate less than 50, then I want to display here. Uh, you can apply for for our company, you can apply, or you can apply after 1 year. After 1 year, after 1 year, or after getting after getting a 1 year experience in some other company, like this. Means they want experience from him because he's giving the percentage between 35 50, right? They want some experience at work here. That's why saying that first go to other company, you try there and get the experience 1 year, then come to our company. That's meaning here. You can apply after getting 1 year experience in other company. You can apply here or you can apply here like this. Okay. Next guys here, elif percentage above or equal to 50 and percentage less than 60, less than 60. Then guys here print rate, print. You can apply after 1 month. After 1 month, 1 month they are saying, because this 1 month they may get the people who are older 60. That's why they are saying that wait for 1 month. Wait for 1 month. Next one guys, elif percentage greater than or equal to 60 and percentage less than 75 less than 75 here. Then print rate, print observation, print. You can apply at next week after 1 week. Okay. And I'll take here elif percentage greater than or equal to 75 and percentage less than or equal to 100 then I display here a print rate. You can apply today only. That's all. Okay. Now I take the else. Now what is the meaning of else here? Else means out of this range, out of all the ranges. I told you already, else will exist when if all conditions are false. If all are false, then else will execute. Else will execute, right? If all are false, then only else will execute. Okay. Now guys, observe here else, right? Then I display here simply print. You have entered percentage, comma, right? It's a invalid. It's invalid, right? Then I take a dot format of what variable name, percentage variable. That's all guys, right? Just the program over, we can do modifications, anything editing, right? First of all, the program over, right? Now all observe once here. See, this is the first if, right? See, first if condition. Okay. See, if it's false, I'm taking the data else. False means taking the else. All of observe clearly here. The false means else. See, general true means what does it do? Go to the block, right? Go to the block. In this block again. See, now this is the block, right? This is the block of which one? Above if. This is the true part of if, right? This is the true part of above if. True part of above if. Okay. If the first if is true, this block will exist generally. But in this block again, what I have done? I have taken the again condition. Again here. If condition is false, again a condition taken. If condition is false, also taking another condition. Condition is false, also checking the condition. If condition is true, execute this block. So, this is all part of which one? It's all part of which one? This second if, right? If second if is true, this block will execute. Second if is false, go to the which block now? Go to the elif. All right. If it is true, the block is visible. So if it's false means what is there here? Elif, right? Elif is there. So again, check the condition here. Elif. If it is true or if it is false, then else is there. If it is true, now the block is there. Right? The block is there. But in this block now we don't have the condition. This block condition is not there. Only some print functions are there. So now first if over and second if over. Because now second if is true means inside the block, right? Now but inside also again one more condition checking here. Checking the one more condition. Again if it is true, then the corresponding block. If it's false, check the elif. Elif. Again if it is true, execute the block. If it is false, check the next condition. Again it's true, execute the block. If it's false, next condition. It is also true, execute the block. False, next condition. It is also true, execute the block. It's also false, then else block is there. Else block is that's all. Else block is the case. Okay. Right. Now let us try here one by one. Let us try now, guys, one by one. Let's try one by one. Okay. First of all, run the output, run the program. Right. Enter your name. It's asking now. Enter your name. Suppose I take the Sai. Right. All suppose BTech. Here 2020 okay. Percentage. I want suppose with 20%. Okay. Sorry, I'm not eligible. It's fine because you got how much percentage? Because you got 20%. Okay. But guys, what I want here, I want to display name also. In the output, I want to display name also. I want to display, right? Then I'll take one common print here. What I say here? I take first of all hello, right? Hello. I take the person name, right? Then I take the dot format of name, right? Format of name means hello Sai, hello Sai. Next take the suppose here print of, right? Print of something like this. Welcome to suppose guys observe here, right? Now take house. Okay, like this. At the end, I want to commonly here print end means in any case maybe anything, right? Anything maybe right qualification correct or other qualification, any password here, password here, right? Anything here. So I want to display here. So simply I want to display thank you so much. Yes, sir. Okay, just I want to display like this here. Now guys observe here. Now what do I do? Run the program again. Right. I take the name here. Suppose Python RN. Okay. I'm taking all different cases. I'm taking here. See now. So here comes now lawyer and all upper, right? Then qualification take the suppose bit. Guys, I'll check all one by one. Okay. First of all, let's work with the name, then qualification, then year, then percentage. We'll check all one by one. BTech, and I'm giving the post here 2020, right? 2020, and percentage. Let's give suppose some percentage, anyone, right? Now, see guys, now displaying hello Python Narayana, right? Welcome to guys. One more point here. Observe now. What I want here, what I want now. See, it's giving the output, right? It's giving the see actually these three values given by whom, these four values are given by the user here, right? And output coming here. Now what I want here, I want on some more space here. Means before between this input data output, I want one more empty space so that it is identified. Okay. For that, simply guys, what we do, we take one empty print. That's all. I take one empty printer. That's all. Empty printer. In the printer by default, what is in the printer by default? End equal to we have the by default slash n is there by default means a new line. That's why one new line comes by default. Empty print means end equal slash n is there by default. Right? In the printer by default this argument is there end equal slash n. What is slash n? New line. Okay, that's why after every print displaying again new line next one coming, not the same line. See, actually here, hello Narayana, welcome. This is all not in the same line. Why? Because here by default end equal to what is there? Slash n is there by default. Slash n like this in every printer. That's why after printing this message, going to explain. Okay, fine. Now, and the name also, guys, the name also, so how displaying the name. So I'm giving the lower upper same coming as it is. But still I said that I want to display first character of the first word, again first character of second word I want to display capital, then there. So what we use there? So name dot title into again name variable. That name I'm using here. Right? First of all here user data. On the user data I apply the title function. After applying again take the name. That name I'm using, right? Now let's try guys here. Enter the name. I take all lowercase first of all is like this. Then some qualification, right? BTech. Then 2020. Okay, and the percentage suppose 30 here. Okay, right? So some space came here now. Space came. Why space came, guys? Here because of print. Because of empty print, we get the space. Because of empty print, we got the space, guys. Okay. Now also see the name. So all lowercase is there, but what is there here? First character of the first word uppercase, first character of next word also uppercase came here. How it came? Because of which function? Because of a title function. Now the name is clear. And commonly next what is there here? Welcome to. So at last what is there here? Thank you is there. This is coming if blocks. But the above first two lines, the last line is common. It's common for every in any gate. Okay, fine. Now let us see about second one, which one qualification, right? The name is clear. Now qualification I'm giving suppose any name. Okay, I'm giving the qualification suppose BTech, right? I'm giving 2020 recently passed out, and he got 90%. Then and guess now what's the output here? It says that it's not for you. It's not for you. See how it's coming now. It's saying here which one? Display to commonly. Last one common. It's saying that your qualification is BTech. Okay, fine. Then what happens here? So is not for you. It's saying that your qualification BTech only. But it's saying that it is not for you. It is not for you. Why? What is the reason? Right? Now, here, observe all of you. Right. See this BTech, correct? I'm giving the BTech, right? I'm giving the BTech here. I'm talking about only now qualification only, right? This is, I'm giving small b, small t, small e, small c, small h, BTech, right? Now this BTech assigned to which one here? Qual, right? Qualification variable. Okay, assign here. Now qual equal to BTech first of all. What's the qualification here? QUL, right? Small case Q, sorry, BTCH, right? Now this BTech true or false? Since I'm comparing here BTech W equal to BTech, this one true or false? Both are same or not? Maybe same spelling is there, but both are not true now. Both are not true. Both are not same. Both are not same. Why? Because Python is a case-sensitive language, right? That's why. So Python identifies small b is different, capital B is different. That's why we call Python is a which one a case-sensitive language. That's why So both are not matching here. And here also BTech MTech not matching. Is also not matching. So what happened here? What happened here? If is false. If is false means go to else block. In else block what is specified? In else block is specified is not for you. In else block what is specified? Specified that the qualification is what is giving BTech is giving, and it's not for you. But generally, guys, generally the BTech means we can write anyway, right? We can write in any way, capital BTech, small BTech, all possibilities there, right? So we can write the BTech means small b, capital B, capital CH like this possible, right? Or we can write all small also possible, or we can write all capital also, right? Or I can enter small b TH for example, right? Like this, guys. I can enter suppose B T E C H for example, like this, right? See what's happening here. Same spelling is there. If spelling is changed, then you can display error or else blue. But same spelling is there. You have the same spelling, right? You have the same spelling, right? So in this case, what do I do, guys? Here, whatever the case we enter. These all cases, I take it to lower case. That lower case I use in the if. All of right. Whatever the case you use here, I cannot first of all, right? So I take now into one variable, same variable name. I take suppose here, I take the call, right? I take the qualification here, right? The same one now. What do I do here? I'm taking now lower of, right? Lower of the qualification dot lower. That's all. You're giving the capital BTech. Now of conversion, what will be there? Small BTech will be there. You are giving the small BTech, which one to the qualification of conversion also same will be there. You are giving the small, I guess small came here. You are giving this one. You are giving all capital letters to the which one to the qualification. So of conversion, lower means here all take lowercase only. All take again lowercase only. That's all. See now. Next one. You are giving this one. Which one to the qualification? Conversion again what happens here what happens now again same only again BTech only, guys. Here means whatever the case you are giving, but of converting here all same. See, of converting lower case is what coming of converting. Now what do I do here? What do I do now? If qualification or if qual double equal to I take now BTech. Here. So now he's giving this BTech of converting now. What is there in the this BTech? One string BTech now. True or false? True now. He's giving a capital letters of converting. What is there now? Small BTech is there. Means now the qualification value how much here? Small BTech. Another small BTech, and I'm comparing it this BTech string again. It is true. Okay, means I'm converting. That's all. We are converting. That's all, guys. Now, guys, observe here. Now, what do I do? Right. So, qualification, right? Qual dot lower into again same variable. I take the qual variable. That's all. Right. Now, for example, he is giving here. He is giving now bit. For example, right? BTech is giving. Now, what's the qual value now? What is the qual value here? What's qual value now? Capital BTech, right? Now, the capital BTech into lower case of converting. Now, what is the value here? Small BTech, right? Of converting the qualification value. How much here? Small BTech, right? Now, compare here. I compare now, right? I'm comparing this qualification, right? I'm taking this qualification here. It's sure now. I take the here also qualification small only, right? I take small here. Then this BTech equal this BTech. Now both are same. So what do I do now? I'll take all small case only here. BTech, right? Here also same now. I take MTech, MCA here. Suppose he's giving now, he's giving MCA, for example, he's giving a MCA uppercase. He's giving MCA. Now, he's giving MCA. Now, what is the value? What is the qual value here? It's qual value here at MCA. Okay, that MCA into lowercase. Now, what will be there here? Lowercase means now MCA, lowercase. Now, so the qualification sent to which one again? Sent to the qualification qual. Now compare here, right? Qual equal to BTech, no. Qual equal to MTech, no. Then qual equal to MCS, true. Compare to lowercase, right? Compare to lowercase only, guys, no. Right, now let us try here. Let us try now. I take the name. I take the name here. Right. Right. I take the qualification, suppose BTech, right? Year 2020. Percentage, suppose 20, something, some percentage 40 here. Now you can see, guys, now you can see here. As for the qualification, now there's no problem. As for qualification, even though you are giving the uppercase, you are giving the uppercase here, all bit, right? But I compare with which one? Compare with the lowercase only. Compare with the lowercase comparing here. But the capital BTech, say with the which variable, qual variable, that I am in lowercase. Now what happened here? Lowercase BTech, right? Lowercase BTech. The lowercase BTech comparing with the string, capital small bit string. So true. True means now go to the block, if block. The if check the year. 2020 I'm giving, right? I'm giving 2020 here. Now again true is there. True means again now go inside the block. Inside the block is there. Inside the block, now how much I'm giving percentage here? I'm giving 40. So 40 means the first one is false. Second one is true. Then display your apply here after getting 1 year experience. Apply here after getting 1 year experience, guys, here. Okay, like this now. Now you're over. Right? Next one, guys, when come to the years. Because of years, I'll take suppose some name. Then qualification, anything. Suppose see now, I'm taking capital BT, small ch. Okay. Then year I'm giving 2010. 2010. 2010. Then I'm giving here percentage. Suppose 70 percentage. Now see what is playing here. Your pass out year is 2010. It's only for freshers. How it is executing? Observe now, guys, here. First of all, display the. First of all, take the empty space. Take the empty space, right? So empty space came here, and display the hello message. Display it over, and display the welcome message. Yes, it's also over. Hello and welcome both are over, right? Then check the first condition. Check the first, right? First condition here. There. Now he's giving the which one? He's giving the BTech, right? He's giving the BTech. Converting all small BTech, right? Small BTech means this is true. This is, if it is true, then go inside the block. In the block, now check the year. You're giving 2010. You're giving, right? 2010 means check this year now. Check this year. This one true or false? It is a false. Why? Because I compare with here 18, 9, 21, right? Now go to else block now. Or elif is there, right? Elif is there, right? In the elif, check the condition. 2010 less than 2018. Yes, true. That's what display. Your pass out year is what is the year value you're giving? We're giving how much value here? 2010, right? We're giving this value. Your pass out year is 2010. It's only for freshers. That's why it is displaying. It is displaying there. Okay, right. Now one more thing, guys. Here I take the about 2020 here. I take now some name qualification. I'll take suppose MTech, right? MTech. Then year 20 I'm taking now. Percentage I'm giving suppose 90 percentage. Now observe what happened here. Observe, guys, now. Just observe, guys. So check the first qualification. Qualification true or false now? Qualification true. Why? He's giving the MTech, right? MTech is there. MTech matching, right? MTech matching here. And all of one more thing here. See, what is R? R means anyone is true or both can true. See, R is true when if anyone is true also R is true, right? We have seen operators. Okay. Suppose either this qualification BTech or MTech or MCA. If anyone is true also, then if it's true only. Okay, right. So here qualification MTech matching here. So it is true now. If it's true means then go inside the block. Here I'm giving the year 2022, right? Here true or false now. Here true or false here. It's false, right? It is false here. This is false. Means go to block now. Elif, right? Elif first. Here true or false. Check it now. True or false. It's also false here. Why false? We're given the 2020, right? Then go to else block now, right? And later what is remaining else only. Check here now. Displays you have entered which are entered, right? Which year entered there? Which year entered 2020, right? This is what given by the user, right? You need to complete graduation. Okay. So what's the value 2020, right? The 22 will replace here. So you enter 22 year. You need to complete your graduation. That's all, guys. Now. That's why displayed. You have entered 2022 year. You need to complete your graduation. Again, thank you so much. Is there like this, guys? Here. Now percentages. I'll see the last about the percentages. I give the name. Suppose Nani here. MCA, right? MCA. And year 2020. I'm giving percentage minus 30. Minus 30. See, you entered minus 30. It is invalid, right? It is invalid. Okay. See here now. I'm giving the minus 30 means not in this range, not in this range, not in this range, not in this range, not in this range. Means that the given number not in these ranges, not in these ranges. That's why it says that you entered that minus value, so it's a invalid. Suppose if we give the more than 100, I'm giving here Nani, right? Qualification is the MCA. Here is 2010, sorry, 2020 again now. And I'm giving percentage by mistakenly 120 given there. Then you can see you entered 120, it's a invalid. It's a invalid, right? Now I'll do one more, guys. Here I'm giving the correct name, correct qualification. Suppose I take here BTech pass 2019. I'm giving 99%. See now. You can apply today only. You can apply today only, guys. Now apply today only, guys. That's all. Okay, this is one simple example, guys. Which one by using a nested if, guys. Nested if. Okay, right. And one more point, guys. Here actually in this batch almost all college students, right? So guys, you practice a number of times. This example you can practice a number of times because in interviews sometimes they give chance to us, mainly for freshers or one-day experienced people. They give chance to us write any Python program. Write any Python program. At that time you can't write a plus b equal to c. Those are not eligible at that time. Read the program 10 lines program so that you get more impression. If you take a equal 10, b equal 20, a plus b is equal to c, print of c means no, they will not accept it. Okay. So guys, like this, we have around the 5 programs are there throughout. This very big programs. This is around I think 20 lines. 30 lines. When it's programs, 40 lines, 50 lines are there. There's 5-6 programs just to practice a number of times, a number of practice. So in interview, if they ask us out of this 5, write anyone, any two, also no problem. Okay. Right, guys. Yeah, fine. Let's stop it now. All are clear about this one. All are clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Yes. Very good. So guys, about this one, this if statements are like keep the document in the classroom. Okay, in a Google Classroom, I keep the document check once. The same program is there already in our document, and also the same program copy and paste in the classroom also the same program. Okay, right guys. Thank you so much all of you. Tomorrow at same time, guys. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.